Hey guys, welcome back to Real Auto Solutions. My name's Jack. I've just got a Hyundai Kona and we're going to show you how to do the cabin filter. This is a 2017 Hyundai Kona. So first things first, we need to open a glove box, and then on the side here take the strut off. We can see the strut is there to let it down nicely. Some models will have it, some not, so you just need to push it off like that. You can see, oh, it got caught on there. You can see it drops faster without the strut. And then in the side here, just got our little locks. Essentially, you don't twist those out, which you twist and pull that out just like that. And then the same in that one. So lift the glove box up a little bit, twist it out, and then pop that down. Drop everything out of the glove box. You got two little tags on the side, pull it, squeeze them together, and then pull it out like that. Got our filter and the airflow going down. Got our dirty air filter, used to be blue. Part number for this Kona, the Westport number is WACF 0215. Well, apparently not. This is a new one. Let's have a look what's going on here. Maybe a part number change. Filter actually looks slightly bigger. I'll just open it up. So we've got it open, but WACF 0261. Let's see if this one actually fits. Looks like it needs to go sideways. Okay, that one actually fits much nicer. So the part number we're chasing, WACF 0261, and you can see how much cleaner this filter is. Again, we want airflow facing down because the top of our filter was dirty. Put our thing back in, cover, pop that back in. Take this out, you can pop our glove box up, and then what you want to do, because we've got nothing holding it on, you can just pop the strut on, which just involves pushing it on like that, and now it sort of holds it there a bit better. We get our clips, just simply put them in, twist. Find our other clip that got covered in all the stuff that fell out of the glove box. Put that in, twist, make sure that the strut works and the locks work, make sure it locks up into place. Perfect. That's how to do a cabin air filter on a Hyundai Kona. This is a 2017 model, pretty similar for all other Hyundais around this era. Please consider liking and subscribing. We'll catch you for the next one.